Hi everybody, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Well, today is quick and easy meals. This is hosted every Sunday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and the co-hosts are myself, Jean Home Decor and More, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things. This is an open invite collaboration. It's conducted every Sunday at 7 p.m. So if you would like to participate in this open invite collaboration, please feel free to do so. I also would like to recommend that you stop by these ladies' channels and check them out. You will not be disappointed. I will have their links in the description box down below. We follow YouTube etiquette. We would request that you guys fully watch the videos, like, comment, and please be so gracious to subscribe. It helps all of our channels. And the Grace Life DIY, this is her idea because, of hosting these different collaborations, because it helps all of our channels to grow. So today, what I'm having for my quick and easy meal is we're having turkey burgers, but I'm just starting off, just giving you a preview of what we have going on here. So let's come in close. We have a little onion, for those who like to put a little onion on their turkey burgers. We have our hamburger rolls. We have some bread and butter pickles. We have some Wise honey barbecue chips. We have a salad. We have a nice healthy salad, and we have some blue cheese crumbles that we can put on our turkey burgers like they do at Red Robin. And then we're going to have some chicken wings that I picked up from the Safeway. I'm going to put those out in a dish. Right now, this is just a little preview. I'm going to put them in a more decorative dish. We're going to have some cheddar cheese for our burgers. And then I have my corn on the cob. I don't have any, we don't have anything like mac and cheese or any kind of carb like that. We just have some corn. And what I do, you guys, is I mix, and let me turn this down. I mix water with milk because if you want to make your corn pop, your corn on the cob pop, mix a little milk with it. So this is what we have. We have a little buffet, and I'm going to have some permanent house guests until about February or March. And here's hubby telling me that my hamburgers are ready because my turkey burgers are ready because he's done them on the grill. You've done, you put them, they're done?
Come on out and take a look.
He said, come on out and take a look. So
This is a really
we will come back to you in a minute when we get everything ready, okay? This is quick and easy, guys. Okay, so we have little guests, little munchkins here, and this is
I'm the big munchkin.
the okay, wait a minute.
Here, put this in the chair.
You want to show me your burgers?
All right, we're doing just a few turkey burgers to start. There you can see I turned one over already. They're nice and seasoned. And the key to cooking good turkey burgers is you don't close your barbecue grill.
Oh, I didn't know that myself.
They'll cook too fast and they'll be hard. Nobody wants hard turkey burgers. You want them to be nice and moist. So you cook them slowly and you cook them with your top on your grill open. Now, when the meat is ready, it shouldn't stick to the grill. It should slide right off.
Like so.
And you turn it right over.
Okay.
That's how you know your meat is ready. If it's not ready to be turned, in other words, if it's not cooked, it's going to stick to your grates. So you simply do that. Slides over really easy. You cook them for about 5 or 6 minutes on inside, and you got nice, moist turkey burgers, y'all.
Okay, guys, you see that's a quick and easy meal for me because Big Daddy is doing the meals. Okay, so that's really makes
What's
it.
up, y'all?